How does a bargaining unit impact union elections? Imagine a group of employees trying to decide if they want a union to representing them. The way they organize that decision depends heavily on what is called a bargaining unit. This is a specific group of workers recognized by law as sharing common interests, like doing similar jobs or working at the same location. The size and makeup of this group are what shape the entire election process. First, only employees within the bargaining unit are allowed to vote in the union election. If the unit includes only the clerical staff at one office, then only those clerical workers can vote. The employer and union can challenge whether the unit is appropriate before the vote happens. They might argue that certain employees should be included or excluded based on their job duties or work conditions. This challenge can delay the election or change who gets to vote. The composition of the bargaining unit also influences how much support the union might get. If the unit is made up of employees with similar concerns, like wage issues or work hours, they might be more likely to support union representation. But if the unit includes supervisors or employees with very different interests, support might be weaker. The union needs to have a clear understanding of who is in the unit to know how strong their chances are. Once the unit is established and the election is held, the union needs to win a majority of votes within that group to be certified as the official representative. This means more than half of the employees in the unit must vote in favor. If the union wins, it then becomes the exclusive bargaining agent for everyone in that unit. This means the union will negotiate wages, benefits, and working conditions for all employees in the group, whether they voted for it or not. The employer and union often negotiate over what the bargaining unit should include because it can impact the election results. A larger unit might mean more votes, but also more diverse opinions. A smaller, more cohesive unit might be easier to organize but could limit the union's influence. The entire process hinges on how well the bargaining unit is defined and recognized by the Labor Relations Authority. In short, the bargaining unit acts as the foundation for union elections. It determines who gets to vote, who the union will representing, and ultimately shapes the outcome of the election and future labor relations.